Hi, I'm Jeremy Pollack. I'm a social organizational psychologist with a specialty in peace and conflict psychology. Make it non-judgmental. This is really important. We don't want to come off as we're judging someone's character as a result of this. We don't want to say, hey, well, you were really rude yesterday. That's an abstract appraisal. That's not very helpful. We want to be specific about the behavior. Again, non-judgmental, specific about the behavior. If it's not an emotional sort of situation where you're not feeling angry or heated at someone, then you might not need to say what the interpretation, what your thought process is about their behavior. You might just say what the effects of their behavior are. So you might say, when you do this, it affected me, or it affected the situation, or it affected the company in this way. You might just skip right to the effect and not focus on interpretation. So we want to ask someone first if we can give them some feedback. We don't want to just lay this on them out of the blue. Maybe they're unprepared to hear this. Maybe they're not in a good space right now. We don't want to just assume that someone is in a good space to receive what we're going to tell them.
It's not personal at all, and I'm sorry if it has felt personal.
Notice how this changes based on me asking, bringing her into the conversation, and the story that I hear from her. It's opening my eyes to something that I wasn't really aware of before. So it's giving me more perspective. It's helping me to reinterpret her behavior. So go ahead and pause the video now on this sequence, read it through, and see if you can fill out the BEAR worksheet as to how you might have this conversation. Take your BEAR worksheet, fill it out, map out the grid, and see if you can put this whole thing together and get to a place where you feel a bit at least more comfortable having this uncomfortable or difficult conversation.